Okay, so let's start. So today is 2020, December 16th, and welcome to my webinar. Okay, so let's start the weekend analysis. All right. So the gold, we have daily engulfing candle on Tuesday, which is yesterday, and this candle is very important. Okay, this actually represents a reversal. Okay, and note that the previous bearish candle is actually breaks a little bit low than the last three candles, right? So I want you guys to focus on this kind of engulfing, all right? Breaks new low and then makes a engulfing. This actually represents a even higher reversal rate, okay? So you have to understand this, okay? Because normally the engulfing looks like, you know, this is a normal engulfing because the high is higher than the previous opening, right? But before that, this bearish candle compared to this candle is actually also a engulfing, right? Because this is green, this is red, and red is actually lower than the body, right? But this actually shows a reversal sign because it actually breaks new low. Some people actually goes to short gold by the breakout. Okay, they shot from the breakout and they were trapped, and that's why the gold reversed very hard way, okay, since this place. Okay, and if you remember, I do give you guys a 2618 trade on Tuesday, right? Remember, the first trade I published is this one, is this 618, and immediately we actually earned about $15, which is 150 pips. And then the second one is this 2618 trade. Okay, we bought from here about 1825. And then this 2618 trade gives us a very good reward and risk ratio all the way to 1865, which is 400 pips. Okay, so if you do have some gold long positions still have here, okay, please do hold this, hold it, okay, because in weekly chart, I can tell you guys, gold is going to retest the 1920 level here, somewhere here, okay, and in monthly chart, the gold is actually have a inside bar, right? This is a potential inside bar. Depends on whether this green candle can breaks new high, but I doubt that. So I think the monthly chart, in this month, the gold may not rally so high, but in January or in February, the gold may have a very good return, okay? A rally to 1960 level. All right, so you have to understand this. It's very important. All right, so in daily chart, let's focus on this key resistance, which is 1875. Okay, let me draw this key structure for you guys. Okay, so 1875, you have to understand the condition. Okay, let me just repeat. Okay, if the price, okay, or any candlestick, okay, can break up 1875 and stands above it, okay, you can buy gold and aim 1942. So this is a conclusion. So get ready when the gold break out this level and give you a retest or no retest is okay. And you know that the upside room is totally open for you guys. And you can aim directly to 1942, about here, which is about 0.886. See here, 0.886 level, right? So this could be our very nice trade for this bad pattern to complete as well. And now we are very close to this resistance structure, and we're waiting for the breakout to happen. Okay, it's so important, and you cannot miss it. Do you understand what I'm talking? Okay, give me 5 if you understand what I'm talking. This move will be very profitable, but you have to understand the condition. Okay, price or any candlestick can break up 1975 and stands above it, okay, you got to buy the gold all the way to 1942. The price will easily move to that place, okay, because this green big red candle has nothing inside it. There's no selling orders waiting there, okay? It's empty. The sellers are here. The sellers are here about 1942. So it's our job to take this opportunity to buy the gold, aim to 1942, okay? If the 1875 can be broken. Very good, very good, okay? And then we still have to watch the price action about here, okay? Because today we have the FOMC meeting, right? And most likely the Fed is going to tell us whether they're going to maintain the low rate, like 0% interest rate, and whether they're going to have another easing policy, right? Okay, the QE maybe, okay? So we have to watch the price action about here, and basically you just need to wait for the breakout to happen. And then go to 4-hour chart. What we have is the price already tested the previous high here, about 1865, right? And thus we can plan for two things to happen, two things, okay? The first thing is, if the price cannot break it, okay, it may drop to the 618 level, about 1839. So you can draw the Fibonacci ratio from here to here and get ready for the price to drop to 1839 or 37, okay, and then you wait for a buy here. This is the plan A, okay? The plan B is, if the tonight's FOMC meeting push the price directly break out 1865, and you have to be ready to buy the pullback and aim even higher. So this will be another opportunity for you to catch the gold. So basically, you either wait for the price to come to 1837, or you wait for the price to break out 1865. Based on 4-hour chart, we don't need to wait for the price to break out 1875. 1865 will be enough, because if the price can break a new high, it just tells you the uptrend remains. Okay, the uptrend is still there. Okay, understand? Okay, so just get ready for this to be happen, right? Yeah, so today, I think it's 3 a.m. in the morning in Asia time, or yeah. Just we have another 1, 2, now is, let me just count which candle should be 1, 2, 3 a.m. here. Okay, yeah, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, about 5 candle. About a 5 candle, we will know that. Okay, we will know what is for the direction for the gold. Okay, so wait for the price to come back to test 1836, or wait for it to break new high and then retest and buy. The gold will have a very big room, okay, to go to 1942. Right, this is based on the chart we have in all time frame. Okay, we do have the higher time frame that gives us the weekly reversal. Okay, yeah, weekly already breaks the latest downtrend line already broken. Okay, it's going to test the 618 maybe, which is 1956, but we don't even need the price to go that high. We can go to daily chart. We know that, yeah, 1942 will be very possible. Okay, and the price do have this ABCD pattern complete, right? Yeah, oh, not this one. Should be this one. This is the ABCD pattern complete. Yeah. But here, when you draw the horizontal line, you can know that, yeah, 1804 is actually still a supporting level for the gold, and hence we can draw the Fibonacci level and aim for 618. Okay, and just almost done. Okay, there's a potential neckline here. This is a neckline for the potential V shape. Yeah, this is a V shape reversal. So it's going to be happen. Okay, so just get ready. If it breaks previous low, then we'll consider for bat. Oh yeah, if it breaks this place, breaks this engulfing candles low, you can wait for the bad pattern to get ready to buy the gold as well. Okay, that's possible. Okay, yeah, but I think that the higher chance will be the gold will shoot up. Yeah, because it will remain the previous trend here. The 4-hour in forward chart, there's still an uptrend. It's still in the uptrend line here. Okay, so it ends up it is the price is squeezing. Okay, you can draw this squeezing triangle, and if the price can breaks up, okay, go for it. Go for it. Don't be hesitant. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's move on to euro. The euro breaks a new high, 1.22. Okay. Weekly chart. I said euro is going to fly to 1.2324. Yeah. So you can remember since 1.12, 1.108, 1.16, I'm always asking you guys to buy the euro if you remember. Right? So this is how I understand the market. I know that the euro, after it breaks this long-term channel, after this reversal happens, okay, you should do all your best to get up the trend, okay, all the way to 1.22, 1.23, and 1.24. And now the weekly chart, the euro just have a weekly inside bar breaks up, and that's why you can still hold your euro longs. Okay, still hold your euro longs. Do you understand? Why? Because there's still upside room. And after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, after 9 days consolidation, it breaks up again, right? Tell me, will it moves very fast in the next few days? Do you think? Remember what I taught you guys is compression, okay? Compression or squeezing, okay, will lead to what? Leads to expansion, right? This is what I'm talking. You have to understand this, okay? Expansion. The longer it took the time to sideways before it breaks out, then the higher it will move. Okay, so euro still have the room, and today we just saw a breakout happen. And if after the FOMC meeting, the price can still maintain above 1.21, you can still hold the euro to 1.23, 1.24. And in monthly chart, I can give you guys an even higher target, which will be 1.35. Okay, that's possible for the euro to complete this ABCD move in monthly chart. Okay, don't be scared. Don't be surprised if the euro shoots up that high, because dollar is going to be super weak. Dollar is dead, basically. Okay, the euro has already break the long-term triangle, and this is going to shoot up very quick. It's going to happen. All right. Don't think this place is going to, reject the euro again. It's not going to be, very strong resistance. It will easily took the breakout, right? So aim the euro to 1.23, 24. If the 21.25 can be broken, and then the euro will fly to 1.30, 1.35. Get ready for this. And that's how you can make big money. Do you agree? Do you agree? You see, you can recall what I'm saying when the euro is here. I'm always telling you the euro is going to be up. Okay, the dollar is going to be weak, and I won't change my mind until the euro goes to that place, and then I may ask you guys to plan for a long-term short of euro back to 1.21 again. Okay, that's my strategy, so that you can always plan your trade for big money. Okay, same thing happens to sterling. Okay, sterling really breaks the neckline of this super big head and shoulder patterns, right? And just get ready for the sterling to fly. All you need to do is just hold the sterling long, hold it. And on Monday, I told you guys this is a strong gap up, right? Strong gap up, and tells you you can buy the sterling from this place, this neckline here, about 1.33. Okay, and then it forms an inside bar up, and now you earn money. Okay, so the next place to buy sterling will be 1.3470 here. Look at it here, right? The resistance comes here, comes here, comes here, comes here, boom, break up and retest, right? So this place 1.3470 becomes a strong support for the sterling, and that's the opportunity for you guys to take it, to buy sterling. Okay, give me 5 if you understand. Okay, sterling, the next pullback opportunity will be here. Okay, and updates for the dollar Canadian. Okay, the dollar Canadian weekly chart is confirmed the breakout, and it really is going back to 1.27. In daily chart, we took a lot of opportunities to sell the dollar Canadian. Okay, and now the price have some pullback. Okay, so this is normal. This is fine. Okay, and you go to 1 hour chart. Okay, I'm telling you guys, just get ready to sell the dollar Canadian again about 1.2790 level. Okay, this place is confirmed the pivot, confirmed the strong resistance. No matter how hard it pulls back, okay, the sellers will just, just shoot it back. Okay, sell the dollar Canadian about 1.2780. Okay, this becomes a strong resistance structure. Right? Wait. Okay, for Aussie dollar, it's strong. It breaks new high 0.7580, and in weekly chart, the Aussie, I'm aiming for 0.7950 or 0.80. So Aussie dollar still have way to go up. Okay, find your opportunity to buy the low, inside up, buy. Okay, break up and retest, buy. Okay, flag pattern, buy. Aussie, buy. Aim 0.80. Okay, Kiwi, same thing. Right, Kiwi still have room, 0.72 maybe, or 0.74. Aim for this. Okay, the Kiwi may still goes up there, and then it may shoot up back to 0.67 and then goes up again. Okay, so this is a pass for the Kiwi. For the sterling, for the dollar yen is bearish. Yeah, it's really bearish in a channel. Okay, so you can sell dollar yen. Dollar yen may break 101 or 100 this time. Okay, so dollar yen, I'm waiting for the price to come back to 100 level. Okay, you can sell dollar yen. Okay. What else? Oh, Bitcoin. Bitcoin, we have a short in last week, and it was closed because it actually hit the stop loss at this level, and I have already updating trading view. Okay, we took a short from 1880. Okay, and aim 1750 is almost dropped to $1,000, and then it comes back. So half we win here, half we stop loss here, and now the prices break 20K, right? So the Bitcoin will have another upside move. Okay, so whenever the price come back to 20K level, you can buy it. Okay, just put your stop loss below 192 to 300. Okay, in 30 minutes charts, there do have a inside bar up here. Okay, here. About this level. Yeah, that's the chance for you guys to take the upside room here. Inside bar breaks up, okay, and structure broken up, retest, and then price rally sideways a little bit, okay, ping bar here, okay, and then a firm breakout happens and retest, and it goes up. Okay, so you can still continue to buy the Bitcoin because it's still in uptrend, and it just break all-time high. Okay, but we don't know when it's going to be reversal. So don't guess. Okay, just wait for the trend to continue. You're just tracking the trend, whether it's still above the 8 EMA. Okay, whether it's still above the 19800 level. I think this level will be very important. Okay, a lot of people are waiting to buy the buy the Bitcoin here. That will be a good plan for you guys to buy the Bitcoin. Right? Ethereum has a very nice move as well, and things I'm telling you guys to buy it whenever it comes to about 500 level, 540 level, right? Here it's a very strong supporting level, about a 516, okay? Break up, retest, former double bottom here, form a double bottom and goes up, and then wait for the flag. I think in last webinar I said wait for the triangle to be broken, and it did. Okay, break up and retest. Okay, so that's how we get for the Ethereum trade. Still now it's 600 level. Maybe we'll break new high as well. In weekly chart, I think the Ethereum is still going to aim 700. Still have room here. Okay, and weekly pin bar represents the buyer here, just break new high. So find your ways to go for 700. Okay, that will be a good trading plan for the Ethereum. All right. Okay. So far so good. All right. And for the LTC, will be same thing. LTC still have an upside room. After break 92, it will go back to like 115. Let me find a new chart. The Litecoin is going to test maybe 110 about here. Yeah. So this, you can consider this as a big flag pattern or triangle or bullish continuation. Okay. So LTC may move to 100 and 108. For the NASDAQ still strong, so don't short it. Okay, just break new high and engulfing, and now it's coming back to test the previous low. In 4-hour chart, it looks like the 12600 become a resistance, but I want you guys to wait for this uptrend channel to be broken, and then you pull back to sell. Okay, that will be a good move. Okay, because NASDAQ is very, very strong. Don't short it. Okay, because Tesla is still new high, right? And Apple also good. And I said Apple after breakout this 121 level, it will move to about 130 again. So the Apple, you can still hold it. Maybe we'll test 130. Okay. Try to do some profit taking about 130 level if you hold Apple stocks, right? Yeah. Okay. Any questions? Any questions? So today you have to really open your eyes, watch for the gold move. Okay, it's going to be end of the squeeze of the triangle. It's either a big drop or either a big up, right? But I'm thinking after the break 187.76, it will goes to 1940. So don't miss this trade. Okay, find your possibility, to go for this trade, because dollar index is really weak. You can see 4-hour chart is pulling back, right? But after it pulls back to this place, the dollar index will remain bearish. Okay, the bearish trend will continue. Okay, it will go all the way to 88 or even break 88. You see the weekly chart, the dollar index is really bearish. Okay, it's super bearish. You get it? All right. Yeah. So basically, from what I'm giving you guys the insights, right? You honestly try to learn from me. How do I plan for those big trade, and how do I use lower time frame to find good patterns to kick in your trade? So you have to be both. You have to be both good at finding the where is the big money, and how to use lower time frame to go in the trade. So this is a two target you have to make. Okay, you have always to think, oh, weekly chart, where am I now? What is the trend? Where is going? What is the place going to do? Right? What is the place? Where is the bearish trend leads to? Ask yourself these questions. Where's the big money? Oh yeah, it breaks this place. We have a big fall, right? So I have to sell the dollar index all the way to here. Oh yeah, it breaks a new low, confirm bearish room, let's sell it, okay? Oh yeah, it comes to this previous support, I have to take some profit and wait for the price to come back a little bit, maybe 0.382, maybe 0.618, maybe a ABCD correction, and then it breaks down again, okay? So you have to ask yourself, where is the big money and where is the trend, where is the location? And after that, okay, go to lower time frame to find a good quality trade that in lines with your higher time frame thought. Bobby, can I understand? So you have to understand your trading plan, okay, like the gold, like the oil, like whatever, okay, your trading plan, like this 2618 trade I'm talking, right? How you can make the best return from this one single trade. The 2618 definitely won't give you that high target, right? It will only give you like ABCD, maybe after here. That is a normal 2618 trade. You buy from a 618, price come back to the previous high, and then price have an inside up, breaks up, okay, to the previous high. That's it. Maybe you will just take all the profit, right? But if you remember in daily chart, oh, this is a very strong resistance level, and I have another big resistance here, and that's why I want to hold my 2618 trade from 1825 to 1863, and then I know, oh yeah, this is big money. I won't have some risk-free trade to hold to that high, and it really happens, and really give you a super good return. Guys, this is very important, right? So today you have learned how do I plan my weekly or monthly chart, and I'm going to use this view, okay, to lead my thoughts or my logic to find those corresponding lower time frame trade to go in line with my higher time frame trading plan. All right? Yeah, so this is very important rules. Okay, then you can have a small risk but big return. Okay, SPX, right? Okay, SPX. Yeah, as I said, I want to sell from 3,700. Still can go with this wedge broken. This is broken retest, push to 36.42, and then price rally back here, retest again, and wait for the trend line to be broken. Okay, if the trend line can be broken, it will definitely going back to 3,600 and even lower low. Okay, that's very, very important. Are we cool? Okay. All right. Yeah. So I'm going to upload this recording to YouTube. You can still follow me from TradingView or YouTube.com/Projack. Okay, this is my webinars recording place. Okay, if you're a first time comer. Okay, and you can always try to contact me to learn all my trading strategies from my Pro Trader course. Okay, I can guarantee you a very, very different trading style, trading system you're going to use, and it's highly applicable and highly profitable, right? Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.